Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a subteam in a task on Wrike. This is a simple and efficient way to break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable sections, helping your team stay organized and productive. Let's dive right in. First, open your Wrike workspace and log in. Once you're signed in, navigate to the task where you want to create a subteam. Tasks are usually organized in folders or projects, so find the folder or project containing your desired task and click on it to open the task view. In the task view, look for a drop-down arrow next to the task name and click it to expand the task options. Within these options, locate the Subteam task section. This is where you can create a smaller segment of your main task, essentially forming a subteam. Click on Add Subteam. This will open an editable field where you can type the name of your subteam. Choose a name that clearly communicates the purpose or focus of this subteam. It will help keep your project organized and easy to navigate. After typing the name, press Enter on your keyboard to finalize the creation of the subteam. Once created, you can start assigning team members, setting deadlines, and managing tasks within this subteam. And that's it. With this simple process, you've successfully created a subteam in a task on Wrike, making it easier to manage large projects by dividing them into focused, actionable segments. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Wrike tips to improve your productivity.